and welcome to the Safe Use of the Internet video. My name is Skylar Tudor and I will be your narrator. First, I want to cover what this video is about. This video is to demonstrate safe use of the Internet on a Windows format. It is also going to cover various tools you can use to help protect your web browsers against nasty viruses and other forms of malware. And with that quick overview, let's get started. Here is a normal Windows 7 desktop, and I'm going to show you 3 browsers that you can use safely. The first is Internet Explorer, native to the Windows environment. The most current version is Internet Explorer 9, with a striking resemblance to Google Chrome with its tabs and features. Next, we have Google Chrome itself. With its wide range of add-ins and plugins, it has become a choice favorite of many users. Not far behind is Mozilla Firefox, known for its website-compatible add-ons and its customization features. Each of these browsers offer their own unique features, which make them competitive with one another. With the rising level of social network activity follows the rise of risk for virus and attack. Attempts to infect and hack are made non-stop by malicious users who try to deceive people and convince them to purchase or download their software in hopes of resolving a non-existent issue. This attempt is known as phishing. Users will receive a pop-up saying that the software running has detected multiple threats that require their attention. They are then prompted to upgrade or purchase a full or complete version that promises to eliminate these threats. Phishing attempts are developed to accomplish one of 2 things: steal or destroy. You might be asking yourself, how can I protect my computer against such threats? The best method for protection is anti-malware programs. These programs are designed to protect and defend your system against phishing attempts, spyware, and malware. Most antivirus or AV programs are relatively inexpensive and can provide protection from threats for a given period. They are generally a subscription-based and are licensed for 1 year at a time. There are some anti-malware programs that can protect against small threats like pop-ups and spyware, but do not protect or remove viruses. Not all anti-malware programs are 100% secure, so you still have to be careful when browsing the Internet. When using Internet Explorer, there are a few steps you can take to make your browsing environment safer. First, you'll want to click the Tools button on the top right of IE and select Internet Options. This brings up a variety of functions. In the General tab, you have access to change your homepage, browsing history settings, and search settings. To delete browsing history, just click the Delete button, then check all the items that apply to your needs listed on the screen. Then click Delete. When IE is finished deleting the browsing history, you will see a notification at the bottom of the window saying that it has completed. Next, we have the Security tab. The Security tab allows you to make changes to what type of data is allowed in the browser for websites that are not in the Trusted Sites section. We will learn more about the Trusted Sites in a minute. Security options are set by different levels. At each level, you are given a description of what is allowed and what is not allowed for that setting. You are also provided with a button that resets all zones back to default settings if you so choose. In the Trusted Sites, you are given an option to add various websites to a trusted list that supersedes other security settings, allowing more content to be accessed without lowering your security levels. There is also a Restricted Sites option that allows you to add various websites to a restricted list that also supersedes other security settings. However, this sets the security settings to its highest, blocking them from access. The Privacy tab allows you to control the level in which your browser allows cookies from third-party websites and resources. You can also enable pop-up blocker and add sites with explicit content to not display the content. The highest level is to block all cookies, which blocks any cookie from being stored on your machine. This can cause websites to load slower than usual. The lowest level is to accept all cookies, which saves all cookies to the computer. Websites will load much faster, but can clutter up your system quickly. The Content tab allows you to set parental controls, your content advisor, manage certificates, and other customization options, such as adding or removing certificates and publishers. This also allows you to clear your SSL state. Clearing your SSL state can fix many problems when dealing with websites using many internal resources and various updates with security certificates. To clear your SSL state, simply click the Clear SSL State button, and the SSL state will be clear. The Connections tab is used to set up dial-up and VPN connections. You can also use the LAN Settings button to change settings on your network devices if you need to use a specific IP address or gateway configuration. The Programs tab allows you to customize the programs used to function on the internet. You can change your default browser to IE, manage its add-ons, select an HTML editing program if you have one, and set programs to be used with various internet resources, like email. The Advanced tab gives you the option to completely customize and set your IE environment to your exact specifications. This allows you to enable or disable just about every option in the Internet Explorer offers, whether it's playing system sounds, disabling scripts, underlining links, or using SSL and TLS. Nothing is out of your reach to make your browsing experience safer. Google Chrome also offers a wide variety of options and features to enable or disable safety functions in the browser. Simply click the Tools button on the top right corner of the browser and select Options. This displays the internet options for Chrome and provides 4 different areas for customization. Basics are used to set up general settings such as homepage, search engine, and toolbars. Personal Stuff lets you set options for remembering your passwords, autofilling information you type into online forms such as usernames, birthdays, and other information. It also allows you to import data from other web browsers such as favorites and cookies. You are also given an option to select themes. Under the Hood lets you manage content and privacy settings. The content settings let you manage cookies, images, JavaScript, plugins, and more. It allows you to change proxy information, automatically translate languages, manage download options, and more. Under the Hood also gives you the option to clear browser history. Just click the Clear Browser History button, select which content you want to delete, and Chrome will remove the selected content. Extensions allow you to manage the extensions Chrome offers to its users, such as this Babylon translator. Some users may want to disable all extensions and add-ins if they are experiencing issues with certain internet resources. Mozilla Firefox is one of the more widely used browsers in today's society, as it offers a more broad selection of add-ons, plugins, and themes. Mozilla, like others, lay claim to being a more secure browser than most, but also like others, have never really met any one person's every security need. To begin managing internet options in Firefox, click the Tools button on the top left side of the browser and select Options. You are presented with a large number of tabs and options to begin customizing your features. The General tab allows you to set your home page, manage your default Save To location for downloads, and manage your add-ons. The Tabs tab allows you to set how the browser opens, views, and manages its web browsing tabs. Content allows you to manage the browser's pop-up blocker and JavaScript feature. It also lets you set font, size, and colors to the text in the browser. The Applications tab lets you set association with various content types to be used with the features of the browser. The Privacy tab lets you enable or disable the website's ability to track your activity on their site, and also to enable or disable browsing history. The Security tab lets you set notifications for certain browser actions and to enable or disable the browser from remembering passwords that you enter into websites. Sync lets you set up the ability for other devices with the same browser to have the same resources, such as history, passwords, bookmarks, and open tabs. The Advanced tab, like Internet Explorer, gives you a wide range of options to fully customize your browser. The General tab allows you to enable or disable options for accessibility, browsing, and system defaults, such as crash reports. The Network tab lets you configure connection settings, clear offline storage, and make exceptions for when websites store offline data. The Update tab lets you enable or disable the browser from automatically checking for updates to the browser, add-ons, and search engines. It also gives the option of setting when the browser searches for updates. The Encryption tab allows you to select what protocols to utilize, such as SSL and TLS. It also lets you manage how the browser obtains certificates. I hope you have enjoyed this segment on safe use of the internet. I'm going to leave you with a few tips for safe use while browsing the web. Don't click on links that you're not familiar with, such as links from emails or pop-ups. Don't click on pop-ups. Pop-ups are most likely phishing attempts that can potentially harm your computer. Last, avoid being the victim of someone else's hacked account. Most cases of hacked accounts are due to someone else's account being hacked and then sending other people fake links that allow malicious users to hack those accounts. It is a vicious cycle that can only be broken when you are cautious and aware of suspicious activity. Thank you for watching. Skylar Tudor, Eye to Eye Productions.